I just stumbled across the most interesting article about Citadel settling a lawsuit over their secret algorithm. So we got to talk about this. There's some bombshell information that does help to solidify the fact of what I've been saying about Citadel's order flows being fraudulent. And quite frankly, what I've been talking about on this channel is I do think that is why we didn't close over $60 by Friday when all the indicators were in our favor and apes are obviously not selling their positions. We got diamond hands, baby. We got the make it rain shirt, and that's what we're going to do when the tendies are printed. So apes aren't selling. I do think Citadel is involved here. We're going to go over this article as well as some other facts you guys should probably know about. So with that being said, I don't want to waste any time getting into this information. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel if you are new here. Before we get into the bombshell information that is in this Citadel lawsuit, I want to give you guys some facts about exactly how much Citadel trades, the percentage of trades they do for the overall markets, and keep in mind AMC and a lot of these other momentum stocks, they do account for about 70 to 90% of all trading that does happen with these stocks. But giving you guys this information up front will really tie together this bombshell news that did come out in the article that I can be assured of you guys don't know what you are about to hear. Now, Citadel Securities is a leading market maker to the world's institutions and broker-dealer firms. Our automated equities platforms trades approximately 26% of U.S. equities volume. 26%! That is ridiculous for one firm. And like I said, this number is much, much higher for stocks like AMC. It says across more than 8,900 US listed securities and trades over 16,000 OTC securities. Now, it says, how does Citadel make money? Citadel Securities makes money by selling stocks or options for slightly more than it's willing to buy them. The difference is often just a fraction of a penny per share, but repeated millions of times a day, it adds up to serious money. And that is what Citadel does. They could trade up to, I believe it's 10 million orders every single second. So they are doing massive amounts of trading, and this software did cost about $100 million to develop by Citadel. Now, also, in October, for example, Citadel handled 70% of Robinhood's options trades placed at the prevailing market price. The filings show the next largest market maker handled 15%. And this is significant when looking over the whole AMC trade. A lot of people are trading options and stock with AMC on Robinhood's brokerage platform. So I do think that is safe to say. And another interesting fact as well, algorithm trading is accounted for around 60 to 70% of the overall United States equity trading. Now, let's take a look at this article, guys. Citadel Securities settles with fund over secret algorithm. Citadel Securities reached a truce with British hedge fund manager over the attempted hiring of a senior trader, ended a lawsuit that was set to consider the makeup of a secret algorithm. Kenneth C. Griffin's market maker and GSA Capital Partners reached a confidential settlement, GSA said in a statement Thursday. The agreement following claims that GSA Capital obtained information on a closely regarded trading strategy when it sought to recruit a former quant researcher, Vedant Kologu, as Citadel Securities. I know I totally botched that, so excuse me if you're watching this video. I doubt you are, but I totally botched your name. The two firms, in quotes, recognize and respect the importance and value of the other's rights over their confidential information and intellectual property, GSA said. Citadel didn't respond to a request for comment. The firm was seeking at least $40 million in damages. The London lawsuit, filed at the end of 2019, centered on a crucial automated trading model known as ABC strategy that cost Citadel Securities more than $100 million to develop. The algorithm was so secret that just 15 of the company's 3,000 employees had access to its strategic logic. 15? So we could have a majority of market volume of the whole stock market orders being executed and sent out by 15 people at Citadel. That is way, way, way too much power for anybody, and this really, really needs to change, guys. So with this new information being presented to you guys, I think the argument of Citadel manipulating order flows just got a lot stronger, and I think this is very important information for everybody to be aware of. And you probably want to switch your brokerage. If we had a lot of people switching their brokerage, this would wouldn't be as big of an issue, but as it currently sits, Citadel has the total control of what happens with AMC stock. Literally only 15 people will ever get to see these order flows and be able to execute them and know exactly what is going on behind the scenes. That is just too much power, like I already said. But I do think that is why we didn't close over $60, and it's going to be quite hard to battle somebody like Citadel. So I do think the best thing we could do collectively is switch our brokers to somebody that does not go through Citadel, but that is not a recommendation. Do whatever you want. Ultimately, that is what people are going to do anyways. But I'm only presenting this information that I was quite frankly mind blown when I seen that. And then when you collect all the dots, it makes a lot of sense that Citadel is manipulating our order flows. So that's going to wrap up this video. If you guys want to push this out to as many apes as possible, I think they would like to hear this information as well. Make sure to hit that like button and comment down below, as well as subscribe to the channel. Now, if you also want to get up to $70 in whatever free stock that you want, use the link down below for public. No deposit necessary. No need to even link a bank account, and you get your stock immediately. I got $30 worth of Beyond Meat and $50 worth of Tesla, so it is worth rolling the dice and seeing what you do get. And by definition, it is literally free. Now, if you guys want to stay up to date with the moves that we are making in the community, I send out my buy and sell alerts. Make sure to check that out down below in the description. We hit a 500% winning trade on Citibank last week, as well as we hit multiple 100% winning trades last week. So make sure you guys check that out. It literally pays for itself. With that being said, I will see you guys later. Enjoy the rest of your weekend. Peace out.